Cleaning validation doesn't end once protocols are approved. It must be maintained as processes, equipment, and products evolve. Each change creates new conditions that need to be evaluated to protect cleaning performance. Lifecycle management and change control provide the structure for doing this. They help you confirm that the process continues to function as originally designed, even as systems and products move through ongoing updates. Lifecycle management uses design information such as equipment layout, flow paths, and material limits as a reference point during periodic reviews and continued verification. By comparing actual results against the original design, teams can determine whether the process still behaves as intended or if any performance drift is emerging. This allows validation teams to detect early deviations from design assumptions and take action before control is lost. Change control relies on design data to understand whether proposed modifications might affect cleaning performance. When changes occur to cleaning agents, materials, or equipment components, the design information provides the basis for evaluating risk and shows which parts of the system could be impacted. Using this design context ensures that changes are constantly assessed, potential risks are recognized early, and the validated state is either maintained or intentionally re-established when needed. These two activities work together to maintain cleaning performance as equipment and processes evolve. They also provide a reference point for deciding whether cleaning performance is still under control.